came down here with every intention of not getting dirty, but I found the problem. Ta-da! Look at that. No wonder I couldn't breathe in the cab. Job jobbed. Off we go to the shot blasters. Look at that. Right, that's me just back from the shot blasters. They're called Piston Shot. They're in Sleaford. They're class. And do you know what? They've become like super fans of the channel. They were telling me they've watched all the videos, which is brilliant. So thank you very much. And I grabbed her phone and showed her how to press the bell notification so that she gets notified when my video lands. Tonight, there's one going out at 5:30. Anyway, all you want to see is the headers, I know that. Manifold, I've got to start calling it a bloody manifold. Right, all you want to see is the manifold. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. As you can see, they've done a really good job with the shot blaster. It has exposed though, that it's been repaired before. It's got a weld there. You can still see a bit of a crack. However, that weld does seem to be sound. I don't think that's going to be a problem. I think it's, you know, it doesn't look too bad. And I also got these shot blasted because, so these half clamps that hold the exhaust onto the manifold, not cheap. So these, £51 plus the VAT, they're each half. I don't know why you'd buy a half, but anyway, I was going to replace them, but I'm not spending 102 quid plus the VAT. So 122 quid or whatever, I'm not spending it. So they went into the shot blaster as well. They've been cleaned up. They've come up all right actually. And I've bought new manifold bolts. They've arrived, and new gaskets. What I'm going to do, take this outside, get the jet wash on it to get rid of all the media that's still on it. Then I'm going to get the air compressor, spray the water out, and then I've got the oven preheated at 240 degrees, 20 minutes until it's tender, dry. Head down to the yard and get it fitted. Hopefully then we'll have a nice quiet engine. Well, as quiet as a 6.7 litre V8 can be. It'll be a lot quieter, but we won't get the fumes. We won't have the fumes anymore in the cabin, which means we can go for a drive, because I know that's what everyone wants to see, and I want to go drifting. And then I'll probably lose my license. But hey, at least you're all having a good time. Oh, what colour? What colour am I doing them? So I was going to do them red. I've mentioned that I was going to do them red quite a bit. However, I then remembered about 15 years ago I sprayed some exhaust manifolds red before on a Rover V8, and I was quite disappointed because it kind of goes pink. You ever notice that? It goes pink quite quickly. It doesn't have like a nice vibrant red. So I decided to go with black. Gone for a nice black, very high temperature paint, 600 degrees or whatever, that'd be fine for our manifolds. So let's go on with it. Right, I've managed to find a quick 30-minute window to fit this manifold. I owe you a massive apology. I didn't film myself spraying it. There was a load of rain showers coming in. Obviously, I couldn't spray it inside. I was at my house. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Looks much better, doesn't it? And there's the clamps. Looking good. Got some nice new manifold bolts. And of course, some new gaskets. So, I've got about 30 minutes. I want the manifold on, and I want to go for a drive. I just want to drive somewhere. So, oh my God, look. I drink too much coffee. That should not be there. Right, let's go. Shiny, shiny. Okay, manifold is fitted. Woohoo, look at that bad boy. All torqued up. So there's only one thing left to do, and that is to fire her up. So let's hope that, because it was sounding pretty terrible, especially in the cab. So let's see how she sounds. Right. Ready for this? Ready for this, guys? Fuel pump is alive. Couple of pumps on the throttle. my God. Listen to that. Oh wow, that sounds beautiful. That sounds absolutely unreal. That side. Oh, you beauty. I am made up with that. Oh, you know what I should do? I should do the pound coin test. Have I got a pound? Got a pound. Got a pound, guys. We'll ignore that. But you know what? I didn't think it would. There's no way when I bought this you could balance a pound coin on that engine. Nice. Well, look, I'm running out of battery pretty quick. I'm gonna take it for a drive and I'm gonna film it on my other camera. You're gonna have to just wait, ain't you? Oh, I'm so happy. Listen to that. Oh, right, let's give it some beans. Beast. The only problem is now, the next thing I've got to do is strip the interior and sand the outside, and I don't want to do either of those things because they're boring. I like working on engines. So we're just about to go and do a test drive. I've got a little helper. My daughter has come down. She's going to move the truck. Give us a wave. So my daughter's turned up in her boyfriend's car, which is his pride and joy, as you can see. And we've decided to try the spec out whilst he's at work and he doesn't know that we're pissing around with his car. Yeah. Sorry, mate.